Staring at a massive unpainted fence or the side of a four-bedroom house with nothing but a roller tray in your hand feels like a life sentence of manual labor. Your back starts to ache just looking at the square footage. This is exactly why those high-pressure sprayers have moved out of the professional contractor world and into the garages of regular homeowners. The Vevor Airless Sprayer is making waves because it offers a massive jump in speed without requiring a huge investment. This machine operates on a completely different level than those cheap handheld buzzers you might see at the hardware store. It uses a heavy-duty pump to push paint at 3,000 pounds of pressure. That is enough force to atomize thick latex paint directly from a 5-gallon bucket. You do not have to stand there stirring in water or thinning agents for an hour. You just drop the intake hose into the bucket and go to work. The result is a wide, beautiful fan pattern that lays down a smooth layer of color. It covers the surface evenly and hides those annoying brush marks or roller textures that can ruin a professional look. However, this is not a magic wand that solves every problem instantly. The setup is where most people get tripped up. You have to connect the high-pressure hose to the pump with a wrench to make sure there are no leaks. Then you have to prime the system. This means getting all the air out of the lines so the paint flows consistently. If you skip these steps or rush them, you will end up with a splattering mess. You also have to consider the environment. These machines create a significant amount of overspray. Because the paint is moving at such high velocity, a fine mist will drift through the air. If you are working inside, you must be a master of masking tape and plastic sheeting. Every surface you do not want painted needs to be sealed tight. This prep work is the hidden cost of the speed you gain. Then there is the reality of the cleanup. This is not a tool you can just toss in the corner when you are tired. If you leave even a little bit of paint inside that pump or the long hose, it will dry and clog the entire system. You have to spend 30 minutes flushing everything out with clean water or solvent till the liquid coming out of the gun is crystal clear. It is a tedious process, but it is the only way to protect your investment. The noise is another factor. The pump is loud and it vibrates quite a bit. It is a serious piece of machinery, not a toy. If you are just doing a small guest bathroom, the effort of setting up and cleaning this beast might actually take longer than just using a simple roller. But for any medium to large project, the time savings are undeniable. You can coat an entire room in minutes. The finish is incredibly consistent and looks like it was done by a pro. It turns a daunting multi-day project into something you can knock out on a Saturday morning. It is all about the scale of the job and your willingness to handle the maintenance. If you are ready to learn the ropes of high-pressure equipment, this tool will completely change how you approach home improvement. You save hours of physical labor by trading it for a bit of mechanical setup. It is a trade-off that most DIY enthusiasts are more than happy to make once they see the results.